Today's video tutorial, I'll show you how to go about placing two videos together in one video, which is a two-layer video using the Youcut video editor app. So you'll have something like this here with two videos playing together at the same time with layered, okay? So I'll show you how to do that from the start, and let's do it. To get started, of course, you'll go to New Project as your very first step, and then you'll find the video that you want to have as one of the two layers that you're going to put together. But for me, I'll go to Material because I'm just going to show you how it works, and I'll just go ahead and select a video. So I'll go now and pick this video here, okay? And you want to have matching video formats. So by that, what I mean, if your first video is in a vertical, the other one should be in a vertical, and that's going to make it a whole lot easier for editing, okay? So if it's horizontal, you would also want a second video to be horizontal. So I'll start with my base video, and you can choose your base video. Now that you've selected your base video, you'll now go ahead and add your second video. So you'll go to where it says PIP, which is the picture-in-picture tool right here, this one right there. And as you tap on it, you'll be taken back to where all your videos are, or whatever it is that you have in your gallery app, okay? And you'll find that video. Again, for me, I'm gonna go back to Material, and I'm gonna add that other video in. So I'll go ahead and add this one here. And the first thing you wanna do is make sure you have it set to fill up the entire video frame, okay? So this is gonna prevent anything from sticking out or showing behind, okay? So press fill right there. It's gonna fill it up entirely, okay? And now, while this video is selected with all these tools here, you'll go over and look for the mask tool. Once you're in the mask section, to separate your two videos, you'll want to use the line option, this one here. So you'll notice this is going to happen here, and what you can do is use this right here to kind of rotate it. So, and it's up to you. You can go either way you want, okay? And then you can place this. It's kind of hard to do with the pen here, but you can place it like that, however you want, whichever one you want to show more, like this here. And using the feather here, this feather option here, that's going to kind of fade it into the other one, so it doesn't look like just a slapped on video. Okay, notice how that kind of makes it fade like that there. And then after that, just make sure they're both matching, okay? So that when you save the video, there'll be a 2-in-1, okay? And now when you finish, now when you're ready and you play the video, you'll see how they were blended like that, okay? And that's exactly what blending two videos or creating a two-layer video is, okay? Like and sub.